What's going on, boys and girls? We're going to do this really quick coleslaw recipe, and you'll see the coleslaw in the Caribbean grouper recipe that I'm doing, but I wanted to do the coleslaw recipe separate just to kind of keep that video from being so long. Yeah, you can hear some football back in the background. It is fall, and so it's not the first day, but you know, we got some football, some SEC football playing. Auburn and Texas A&M are playing, so I'm not going to tell you who I'm going for, but whoever wins, congratulations. All right, let's do this coleslaw. All right, y'all, this is my version of coleslaw. I just bought some angel hair coleslaw right here from the grocery store. Now, if you want to just get you a cabbage and cut it up, you can do it that way. We got some banana peppers that I grew in my garden. We got some cucumbers that I grew in my garden. Didn't grow the onions in my garden. We're going to use a little bit of honey, a little bit of mustard, a little bit of mayonnaise, and that's Duke's mayonnaise, the best. I'm just kidding. Now, you know you like your own. We got some apple cider vinegar, some salt, and some pepper. Let's put this thing together. So, of course, just put your slaw, your cut up cabbage in your bowl. I took a medium-sized cucumber. That was one of the last ones that were growing on my plant. Took a medium-sized one and cut it up into little cubes. We're going to put that on top of it. And we're going to use about half of that small onion. I guess it's a medium-sized onion. About half of that. We don't want it to be too oniony tasting. All right, we cored out the banana peppers, and those are really mildly flavored banana peppers. It's not real spicy. We're going to add all of our ingredients to the cabbage. All right, now I usually put about half a cup of mayonnaise in there, about 2 tablespoons of mustard, about a tablespoon of honey, and about 2 teaspoons of lemon. Of vinegar, y'all. About 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Then I add about a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and we're going to give this a nice little mix until it's all consistent. Alrighty, guys, and once you give it a nice little mix, you've got some of the perfect coleslaw that you can have. Now, if you don't like some of the ingredients in there, like you don't like mustard and things like that, you can leave it out. If you don't like yours to have a little bit of sweetness to it, you can leave it out as well too. So, but this right here, if you like good coleslaw, this is a great recipe for coleslaw. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share it, give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll be seeing some fish here in a little bit. Peace.